Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Also, welcome to our video. So, through the thumbnail and caption, you already got to know that what we are going to learn in this video. So, we are going to learn few concepts of Python. First is data types, and second is operators in Python.
Hello, let's talk more about Python. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a type of programming language. It is a way to we can talk to computers and tell them what to do. Think of it as giving instruction to a very smart robot. Basically, Python helps us to communicate with your computers. As computer does not understand human language and only understand binary language, which is made up of ones and zeros. So Python converts the human language into binary language and feeds it to the computer. Then the computer gives us an output that is in the binary form. Then Python once again transforms the binary code into human understandable language and gives us the output. Why is Python cool? Python is cool for a bunch of reasons. First, it is super easy to learn because it uses simple words and a straightforward structure. Basically, Python does not have complex structure like C or C++. It does not have to initiate any values and it is easy to understand. Second, you can do a lot with Python. You can create games, draw pictures, create application, solve math problem, and even control robots. So now you might be curious, what is the application used for Python? Now let me show you the basic application used for Python. As you can see here, the basic application used for Python is Python IDLE. Now, right now, I am using the 3.12.64-bit of Python version. Now, let us open this app. As you can see, there are two panels in our screen. The left panel is for writing program and the right panel is for giving output. As you can only write the program on the left panel and the output is showcased on the right panel. The only drawback of Python is that it gives an error line-wise, as it does not give all the error and the error in the first line need to be rectified for others to run and others error to pop out.
So let's see why to learn data types. It's because data types help us understand different kinds of information that we use in our programs. Let's see what are the data types. Imagine you have different kinds of boxes for different things. Like here, you can see one box for your clothes, another for your toys, and another for your books. Data types are like those boxes. They help us organize and understand different kinds of information in our programs.
How Python works. We write some instruction which is called code, and then the computer follows this instruction to do what you want. Instruction, code, and execution. Now let's give an example for an Python. Print hello world. Let's see that output. Here is an output. Hello world is an output for a given code.
What are different types of data types? Python has several basic data types. Let's check them out. First, we are going to have integers. Integers are number without any fractional part. They include positive number, negative number, and zero. In Python, we can work with both positive and negative integers. As we already said, Integers contain positive number, negative number, and zeros. Now let's run a code for this. If we are assigning positive number equal to 10 and then printing, let's see what will be the output for that. Negative number equal to -5. We are printing these two, and then num equal to 0. We are printing these two. Now let's see the output for these all. The output for the positive number came as 10, and the output for the negative number came as -5, and for the num, the output came as 0. These all the positive number, negative number, and 0 for integers. Let's now talk about the second data type, that is floats. Floats or floating point numbers are numbers that have a decimal point. They can represent fractions or real numbers, making them very useful for more precise calculation. Now let us see the next data type example, that is floats. By writing positive underscore float 10.5 and print positive float, we will be getting the output for positive. And then the next negative underscore float 5.75, print negative float, we will be getting the output for negative float. And by writing num 0.0, print num, we will be getting the output for 0 float. Now let us see the output. 10.5 is the output for positive float, and negative 5.75 is the output for negative float, and 0.0 is the output for 0 float. Let's now talk about the third data type, that is strings. Strings in Python are a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. They are used to represent text data. Now let us see the third data type, that is strings. Strings contain single quote, double quote, and triple quotes. Now let us write a single quote string, hello world, print, double quote string, double quoted, commas, and hello world, print, triple quote string, triple quote, commas, and hello world. Then let us see the output for this. The output for the single quoted strings are hello world, and then the second double quoted string output is hello world. The third quote string output is hello world.
As you see the three data types, next is fourth, complex. Complex number are a data type in a Python used to represent number with both real and imaginary part. The written in the form of a plus bj, where is a real part and b is the imaginary part. Let's talk about explanation. In the Python, a complex number created by adding a real number imaginary part together. The imaginary part denoted capital J and small j. As you see the basic code of complex number, let's do it. As you can see, the complex number is equal to 3 plus 4j. Print complex number. It is a small and basic concept of complex number. Let's run it. As you see, the output was come 3 plus 4j. It was a small concept of complex number. Next topic is Boolean. Boolean. Boolean value are represent the truth value of expression. It's either shown true or false. Boolean are often the result comparison operators and logic operators. Let's see the examples of Boolean value. You can show in the compiler is underscore sunny is equal to true and it's raining is equal to false. Print in a sunny and print in a rainy. These both are other complex. As you show the output, let's see the output. The output has given true or false. Either it can be true or it can be false as your output comes.
Hello. Now we will have some fun with all the operators that we have studied till now. Firstly, we have taken, as you can see, firstly, we have taken two variables as name and favorite color, and we have added a string value to both of it. Then we have taken an integer value for the age. Next, we have taken a Boolean value for a variable love spicing. Next, this is a new way of printing a statement that is called f string. Here, what are we supposed to do is just take a variable, and outside it we can assign a statement using f string. Here you have to write f, and inside inverted commas, double inverted commas, we have to write the statement. Along with it, when we have to write a name, so we have used the name variable in curly braces, as you can see here. So this helps us this helps us when we don't have to change it, when we have to change it at many places, and then it creates a problem. So we can write it this way. So we don't have to write our name again and again. Instead, we can just write the variable wherever needed, and the value is printed right there. So here we wanted to print meet Alex, who is 20 years old, and at last we wanted to print Alex loves the color. So here we have taken name variable inside curly braces. For the age, we have taken age variable, and again here we have used the name variable, and at the end for color we have used favorite color variable. Now, when we want to add, suppose if I want to add this statement here, and guess what name loves Python programming. If we want to add a new statement to the statement that is already existing, what we have to do is we will write it in a if statement, that is if loves Python. Now we have given a Boolean value that is true for loves Python. So whenever it is true, of course it is going to be true because we have taken it true, and it will always be true. So whenever it will be true, this statement right here that is written in the if and double inverted commas will be added to the statement that is existing, that is this statement. It will be added to the statement and then it will be executed. Hence we have written print story at the end. This operator right here, plus is equals to, is used to add something when there is already something existing in our program and we want to add something to it. So we have used this plus is equals to operator for adding this statement to the existing statement. And of course, the variable is story. So we have added this statement to the story. So this will be added to the existing statement as I've told. Now we will save this program and execute it to get our output. Now you can see that the output output has been printed here, executed, and we can see our output, that is meet Alex. Here we had written name, but name for the variable name we had given value Alex. So we will write here the output is meet Alex, who is 20 years old. 20, we have written here age, and we get it out 20, which is exactly right, whatever we wanted. Here again name, but name it is written Alex here, and for favorite color, blue color is been printed. Adding on to it, you can see, and guess what? Name loves Python programming has been added to the same statement at the end. Here also Alex has been printed where we had written name. So this is how it was. Again, I'm telling you this is called f string, and writing f here is also compulsory. Without it, it will create an error. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understood and practice it for your better understanding. Thank you.
What are operators? Imagine you have a magical toolbox that can help you do different things. In Python, operators are like those magic tools. They help us add numbers, compare things, and do many other cool tasks. Python supports a variety of operators, each serving different purpose. Here is the breakdown of the main types of operator in Python.
First one is arithmetic operators. It is used to perform mathematical operations. The first one is addition, second subtractions, third multiplications, fourth one is division and modulos, remainder after divisions, exponentations and floor divisions, a division that result in the largest whole number less than or equal to the quotient. Now let's see the examples of the arithmetic operators. First one, we see that a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. Then print a plus b, print a minus b, print A multiplied by B, print A divided by B, print A modulo B, print A exponentiation B, print A floor division B. Now see the outputs. So first output will be a 50, then 5, then 15, then 2.0, then 0, then 1 blank, then 2. Second one is comparison relational operators. It is used to compare two values. First one is equal to. When two operands are equal, example A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. So A is equal to B. Second one is not equal to. When two operands are not equal, example A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. So A not equal to B. Third one is greater than. When one of the operand is greater than other than, we use these operands. Example A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. So B greater than A, less than. The fourth one is less than. When one of the operands is less than other than, we use these operands. Example A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. A is less than B. Fifth one is greater than or equal to. Then sixth one is less than or equal to. Third one is logical operators. It is used to combine conditional statements. So first one is AND. Returns true if both statements are true. Second one is OR. Returns true if one of the statement is true. Third one is NOT. Reverses the result. Returns false if the result is true. So let's see the examples of logical operators. So first X is a true, Y is a false, then print X and Y, and print X or Y, and print and not X. So here is the output. First one is false, then true, then false.
So till now we have already studied three type of operators. So let's move on the fourth, which is assignment operators. So this is used to assign values to variables. As you can see here, the symbol of the assignment operator is equal to sign. So it is used to assign a value. For example, A is equal to 20. So 20 is assigned to A.
Now let's have some fun with operators. We can use them to make a simple game. Let's see how. Let's write a code for it. Now let's write a code for guess the number. We have given input as a guess a number between 1 to 10 and we have used a if else condition. If we will guess the number rightly, it will be shown congratulations, you have guessed it right. If we will guess the number too high, it will show it is too high, try again. If it is low, it will show it's too low, try again. Let's run a code. Now we are taking 4. It's too low, so we will try next. Let's put 6. And it is also too low, try again. So we will take our next number. We are taking 8 as our output. And it is too high, we will take another number. We will take 7. Yes, it is shown as a right answer. Now it is showing congratulations, you have guessed it right. So we have completed this code. Thank you. Isn't that amazing? We used comparison operators to make a fun guessing game. Here we come across our last part of the video. That's a fun activity that you all can explore, which is to search about where Python as a programming language got its name. I'm sure it's really fun to know. So do search upon it and share your thoughts and comments.
So we moved in the last part of the video. Also, thank you for joining us today. I hope you learned something new and thank you for the feedback of the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down something if you want to ask. Thank you. So thank you guys for joining us in this video through our Python journey. We hope you found this video interactive as well as informative and helpful. Remember, Python is a powerful and versatile language, and you can learn this Python through by practicing and experimenting on your own.
I was from SIS College. I was wondering and search for Python data types and operators video. Unfortunately, I found this video on YouTube and I'm very much grateful because this video explains the data types and the operators of Python in a very clear and proper way. I'm very grateful for that.
Hello everyone, myself Ayush Singh. Currently I am studying in 12th standard science. From last 2 hours searching on YouTube Python, but I do not find. But one of my friends suggests this channel is a good for Python. It teaches us from beginning to the end. It also teaches us. It also give a very nice video explaining and give suitable experience of good teachers how to learn Python. I also suggest you to refer this channel for your benefits. Thank you.